everyone, welcome back. This is the spring cleaning edition. Today we're going to be diving into cleaning the things that clean for us in our home. So like I mentioned, it's the spring cleaning edition. Let us begin. So we're going to start off with the dishwasher. So when I mention the dishwasher, I always clean the inside, but I always forget to do the outside. So this is what I'm going to be focusing on today. We're going to do the outside of the dishwasher because we always remember to do this every single month whenever we can. But today I thought, let me pull it out and just do the top surfaces, the sides as well. If you look at my previous video during Christmas, I did the cooker. So I pulled out the hob of the cooker, and we found a lot of mess behind there, so that's what I'm focusing on today, to ensure that every part of our kitchen is smelling nice, and any bits that are less sparkly, we're gonna make sure that they are brought back to the lovely shine that they previously had before. So we are now going to pull out the dishwasher, and this is what is at the back. There's renovations done in the kitchen, and some of that is the build-up from all the works, but that really needed a deep clean. I'm so happy we pulled it out because I always like seeing all the mess behind there, and getting the kids involved because it's half term as well, so they also need to help and clean out. So this is just the dishwasher. We're also doing the sides like I mentioned. Don't forget to do the sides because a lot of build-up also builds up, and we also want to ensure that everything smells nice and clean and put everything back. So that's the dishwasher done. Now we're going to focus on the washing machine. People do this every single month. I try to, but sometimes life happens and I can't really do it. Also a reminder, I had completely forgot to put a towel at the base there. I literally nearly made a mess and flooded the kitchen. So make sure you put a towel at the bottom, a really old towel. And then we're going to take this out. Like, look at that. Oh goodness me, that's a lot of buildup. And I'm going to spray inside there. You can choose whatever you like to clean inside there, a mold cleaner, whatever spray you like that works for you. And just don't forget to get your little cleaning toothbrush and dive into the nooks and crannies in there, and just and if the flip comes out, also do that as well. I'm going to be using my cleaning toothbrush to ensure that it gets all the buildup, and like this is all just fibers, the buildup as well. You can just take this out, chuck it in the bin, and scrub away. So let me know in the comment section below how often you guys clean your washing machine. Like I mentioned, some people do it every single month without missing a beat. I sometimes get busy. I've got 2 children, 2 toddlers, and life sometimes hits me and I cannot do this every single month, but whenever I can, I do the best that I can. And the washing machine is now nice and clean, and then we're now going to do a detox inside of the washing machine. So this is detox tablets. It's going to deep clean inside the washing machine, mainly the drum. Do not forget to do this tray. This is also another part that we always forget to do, but whenever you can, do it monthly and just do the whole washing machine. I find that this works best for me. And now we're going to do the dehumidifier. If you've got one, or an air purifier, make sure you clean this as well. So if you look on the top right hand corner over here, you'll find a link to the video that I did where I just basically explained the whole process of deep cleaning our dehumidifier. Again, something I'm supposed to do every single month, but you know what, I'm not gonna really be upset. But this was a lot. This was a shock actually, because I didn't expect this much buildup. I think this is probably like 3-4 months worth of buildup, and I just thought, okay, I'm just gonna do it. And you know what, it didn't take as long as I thought it would, but I'm really glad I did it. And you know what, it's actually really bad if I look at it, because I have small children, and I also want to ensure the air quality is really good, and also just you know, especially like during winter, this is great to just remove all the moisture in the air, just to prevent mold and stuff like that in the house. So that's why I have one, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to try my absolute hardest to ensure that I clean it every single month, because it does stay clean monthly, but life happens. But yes, so this is one of many videos that are going to be a little bit longer, the long format style of videos, where I'm just going to be showing you guys every single thing that I am doing for spring. I can do smaller videos if I can here and there, but especially like with the spring cleaning series, I thought I'm just going to do long format and just check it out, so you got a lot more motivation rather than the usual 4 or 5 minutes. But again, this is also my way of making sure that I don't burn out. So that's the dehumidifier done, and now we're going to do the vacuum cleaner. Do you guys clean your vacuum cleaner? I've seen someone who says they do it every single week. I understand why they do it weekly, but it's something that I cannot do. I think I'll stick to monthly. Let me know in the comment section below how often you guys clean your vacuum cleaner. And also, do not forget to clean your microwave. My battery died, so I didn't get to complete this video, but it's just a friendly reminder to also clean your microwave. That is it for me. I hope you guys have found this video to be highly motivating and interesting as well. So look forward to more videos in the next couple of days, and it's going to be another part 2 of spring cleaning, so look forward to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what else you look forward to cleaning in spring. You have a good day. Bye.